In this video, I will show you how to create a shared Google Drive folder. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is come across to Google Drive. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to drive.google.com, and that's going to take you across to your Google Drive. At this point, make sure you are logged into the correct Google account that you want to create a folder to share with. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see I'm currently logged into my Google account here. If you're not currently logged in, it's going to ask you to sign in before you access your Drive. Or if you want to sign into a different account, just simply click your logo up here. And what you can do is choose from any of the accounts here, or alternatively click add another account to sign in with the Google account that you want to create a shared folder for. So once we're in Google Drive, to create a shared folder, all you need to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click the new button here, and you're going to see an option to create a new folder at the top. Give that a click, and that's going to bring up a window like this. Then you can name your folder. So I'm going to call this one example shared folder, and then click the create button. So what that's going to do is create that folder. It's going to take you directly to it in your Google Drive. What you can then do is double click onto the folder itself, which is going to take you inside of the folder. From here, what you can do is start adding files to the folder. Maybe you want to add a few files that you want to share with other people for them to view, or maybe you want them to edit files as well. So to add files, once you're in the folder, come and click onto the new button again, and then click onto file upload, and then locate the files that you want to upload. So you can see I've got a few photos here, which what I'm going to do is select these, click open, and as you can see, that's going to start adding these to this folder. You can see we've got 3 ticks, which means they've all been successfully added, and you can see they're now here added inside of the folder. So now what we can do is share this Google Drive folder by simply coming up to the top, right clicking onto the shared folder name, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option for share. So hover over this. On the sub menu, you're going to see share come up again, give it a click, and that's going to open a window like this. Now from here, what you can do is add people. So what you want to do is enter the email address of the people that you want to share this folder with. So what I'm going to do is add one of my emails here to share this with, and what you can do is set their permissions as well, whether you want them to edit files in the folder. So to organize, add and edit files, you've also got the option to comment, or you can just let the person see the files. So you can basically select your permission from here. In this example, I want this person to edit files and add files to the folder as well. So I'm going to change the permission to editor. What you can also do is send a message if you want to with this, and once you've done that, just come and click send at the bottom. Now what it's going to do is send an invitation email to that person. So what they then need to do is check their email. So what I've done, I've actually jumped into the email. This is what it's going to look like. So you can see it says that this person shared a folder, and this is what they're going to see. Now all they need to do is scroll down. They're going to see a button which says open. They need to give that a click, and what that's going to do is give them access to this folder. Because they've got editor permissions, they can then go ahead, organize, add, edit, and delete files within that folder. What you can also do at this point is come up to the top, and if you click next to the folder, you're going to see this kind of icon here with these people. Give it a click, and it's going to show who this folder's been shared with. So that's how to create a shared Google Drive folder. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.